talking about a simple 4-step process that will ensure that you have healthy hair for the rest of your life. So if you ask me, can I tell you how to take care of your hair? I will prescribe a 4-step process, and these are the 4 steps. The first step will be a multivitamin, a specific multivitamin for the hair. Not same for everybody. It will depend on your age, your current health, and if you have any other metabolic or hormonal problems, also your lifestyle. To some extent, it could even depend on your aspirations or your budget. If you are looking at phenomenal results and you want the best available in the market, that could be given to you. If you are looking at good results and you want something that really works but that's value for money too, we could discuss that and we could give it to you. But definitely I would begin with giving you a hair multivitamin, or in people who are resistant, totally resistant to taking multivitamins, we could do something and get a dietitian into the picture and give you a diet chart, a step-by-step diet chart which will help you incorporate those multivitamins into your day-to-day. Then the second step we would be giving you is either an oil application, which we will tell you whether you need to apply twice a week or thrice a week, or maybe a very non-sticky oil which you can apply every night. And then we would also give you a serum, so it could be either an oil or a serum, both an oil and a serum. And of course these oils are different, these serums are different, because I have often told you that there is no one size fits all. If I ask how many of you want to control your hair fall, so hair fall may be a symptom that is common to everybody, but the cause of hair fall can be multifactorial. They may be different in everybody. Like we say, fever is a symptom that is common to many, but then the origin of the fever can be viral, can be typhoid, can be malaria. So just one medicine doesn't fit all kind of fevers. Similarly, one multivitamin or one serum or one oil is not going to fit everybody with a hair fall. I have said this in the past, but as we have more and more communication, I think it's only getting clearer and clearer than ever. The third thing would be a shampoo that is right for you. It's not necessary that I will always change what you're using. Many times with shampoos, people are already using non-sulfated shampoos, you're already using good shampoos. I do not ask them to change it. I just make sure that they are using the right shampoos. Some people need a dandruff shampoo. In that case, I examine whether the dandruff shampoo is working for them, or I need to give them something that will definitely work for them. Now the fourth step, some of you may not have the fourth step at all. Whereas some others may have to also go for the fourth step. That could be a protein supplement. For some people it could be a hormonal tablet, because we will be dealing with people with thyroid, people with polycystic ovarian diseases. Even men with hereditary baldness will need something to change the tendency of their hair to go bald. So the fourth will depend on the specific concern that you have. So that's such a simple 4-step process. Now I think I'm giving more and more clarity to how exactly it works, what is the framework, what is the blueprint, and the more you're getting clearer, I think the more you're committing to. It is so simple to take care of your hair. Yes, it is not easy, because it's responsibility. You have to have it as a part of your everyday. It's not like you walk in, do something and get rid of your hair problems for life. It doesn't work like that at all when it comes to nutrition, when it comes to anything to do with lifestyle. But yes, it's not as difficult as you think, and it's not as frustrating as you think. I think this is giving you some kind of clarity on what you may be doing wrong or missing out on 1 or 2 steps, because of which you're not getting results. So think about the 4 steps. Tell me, what of the 4 steps are you already doing and where you need my help. Like I told you, online consultations are available for people all over the world. These are telephonic consultations. We can have a chat over a telephone call or even a video call, and we can take your hair health to the next level in just 6 weeks guaranteed.